In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your fine dining restaurants. If you've just randomly stumbled across this video, welcome to the Multi-Sites YouTube channel. Multi-Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. No coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our fine dining restaurants. Once you've signed up on the platform, put in your email address and password. It's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from on the multi-sites page. However, if you've just stumbled across this video and you don't even have a fine dining restaurant, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find it listed over here, that's completely okay. Comment below and let us know, and we will add it as we are adding more markets every single week. Great. So now I'm going to go ahead and search for my market. I'm going to go ahead and search for fine dining restaurants, and there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Now Multi-Sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my fine dining restaurants, and it's literally going to work its magic and create a one-page website for me. So let's go ahead and put our company name in. Let's go and put our city in and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. Type of business, I'm going to leave as restaurants, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Let's move along. Let's put in our phone number over here and our email address so our customers can easily reach us. Okay, let's click continue. Now Multi-Sites is asking me my street address. Of course, I've already put in my city and my state, so I'm going to go ahead and put the street address in and the postal code. Great, let's move along and click continue. Okay, let's get our hours set up. Let's put the time that our fine dining restaurants is open on a Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and assume my fine dining restaurants is only open for lunch and dinner. Very classy. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's only open from 12 p.m. on a Monday, and we close at 10 p.m. We also open on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to leave off Tuesday and say that's our day that we closed. Let's go ahead and click continue. What time do we open on a Tuesday? Let's say 12 until 10 p.m. Great. Let's review our hours that we open. Make sure we've got all the correct information. Looks good. Let's click next. Awesome. So Multi-Sites has literally done all the hard work for me. It's now generated a one-page website for me. Let's have a look at that. Great. With Multi-Sites, we wanted to make it as easy as possible for you. We've pre-written all the content. We've pre-selected all the images for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website. However, if these images don't quite work for you, content written doesn't suit your business needs, that's completely okay. It's all amendable. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section just so you can get a little bit of a look and feel of how the multi-site service works, how easy it is to amend. You don't need to know any website development, coding. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need to have a huge budget for anything like that. It's really easy to use. So I'm going to start from the top and work my way through to the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on update section at the top. I'm now going to click on show email on sites. So my email address is now displayed on the top right hand corner of my multi-sites page next to my phone number. Both are clickable, so customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to their email app or their phone app to give me a call or drop me an email. Let's make sure that's saved and move along to our social links. So I'm now going to go ahead and put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give Multi-Sites a follow. We'd love to hear your feedback. Let us know how the service is working for you, what features you'd like to see. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook as well. However, if we have missed any social media platforms, do let us know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and click save on that. Our social media icons are now displayed here in the top right hand corner. Customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to our social pages to give us a follow and see what we are up to. Let's go ahead and close that and move on to the next section. I'm now going to click on update logo. Now, perhaps you've recently launched your fine dining restaurant, you haven't quite got to a logo yet. That's completely okay. Mighty Sites will display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it here. Awesome. So that is now uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on save logo. That looks really great. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to go ahead and make it slightly bigger. That looks awesome. Remember to save and click close. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout the website just don't suit your business needs. Perhaps your branding for your website, for your business cards, for everything is just not quite this royal blue that we used as a standard color. And that's okay. You don't need to know color coding to amend any colors on your Mighty Sites page. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes. There are many to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one. I really like that color over there. Let's go ahead and save that. And as you can see, it's now used throughout our fine dining restaurants, website, very neutral colors. Awesome. So I'm now going to head to the top, and just a reminder, we've pre-written all the content for you, pre-selected all the images, royalty free, license free, free to download. And however, if they don't quite work for you, we can go ahead and update the section and change them. So perhaps this text just doesn't work for you that is pre-written, you can change it over here. Perhaps with the button you don't offer online ordering system like Uber Eats or something along those lines. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to view our menu. I'm going to click here and choose our link. We can link to another website or a different section of our Mighty Sites page over here, as well as different actions like click to call, directions, or click to email. However, I want our customers to view our fine dining menu. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a PDF file over here and browse from my device and update our Mighty menu. Awesome. So now when our customers click on that button, it will directly take them to the PDF file I've just uploaded. Let's go ahead and confirm that and make sure our content's saved. I'm now going to go ahead and click on update image. So perhaps you have really awesome images that were professionally taken of your fine dining restaurants. You can go ahead and browse from your device and upload them over here. However, there are hundreds of free images to choose from in the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for fine dining restaurants. However, you can change the terms a bit just to see what comes up. Play around with the terms. I like to do that. Okay, so now I've selected search for fine dining. Let's see what other options we can choose. Let's go ahead and put that in and just see the different options that come up so I can choose another image. Okay, so I like the look of this one over here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that one, select photo, save image selection, and close. And there we go. Our image is now displayed over here, free to use, royalty free. Over here, hours are displayed that we've previously put in on the previous page. However, if you need to amend them, you can go ahead and update section, update your hours and your location over here. Let's go ahead and close that and move along. Here's another option to put an image over here. This image is really, really great. However, you can update it, browse from your device, or search from the photo library. So I like this image over here. I'm going to go ahead and select that one, select it, and click on save. Let's have a look at that. That looks really great. Let's go ahead and close that. Now, again, copy is pre-written for you over here. You can go ahead and amend it if it just doesn't quite work for you, and you can change this button to link to various other places or click to call, as we already have our menu on the previous button. So go ahead and put in a different one over here. Over here, we've reached an About Us section. Put in as much information as possible of how your fine dining restaurant launched, how you came to be, a little bit more information about your chef, your customers want to know about you, and how your business came to be. Image, again, can be amended to suit your needs. However, I think this one is pretty suitable for a fine dining restaurant. So go ahead and leave that if it is suited to your restaurant. Awesome. So there's my one-page website for my fine dining restaurants. It's literally taken me less than 10 minutes to go through it, change sections, and make it look suitable for my business. Remember, only $9 a month. Everything is amendable. There is a free trial available for 7 days. Give it a bash. You have nothing to lose. See how it works for you and your fine dining restaurant. One of the most common questions we're getting asked over at Mighty Sites is, can I link my custom domain to my Mighty Sites website? And yes, absolutely, you can definitely do that. With a professional website comes a custom domain. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop editing and show you where exactly you can do that. Let's head over to the site dashboard. And over here is where you can link your custom domain for your fine dining restaurants. If you're not entirely sure how to do it and you're struggling, have a look at our YouTube channel. There is a tutorial available. There's also a blog post available with step-by-step guide on how to link your domain over at www.mightysites.com. However, if you are still struggling, you can add Mighty Sites as a user and we will do all the hard work for you. We will link your domain. Great. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to build a one-page website for your fine dining restaurant on the Mighty Sites platform. Really wishing you and your fine dining restaurant mighty success. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video. Leave a comment below. Let us know how you're enjoying the service, what features you'd like to see. We'd really love to hear your feedback.